India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
Today, the state government made a statement in the High Court that insofar as junior engineers of Public Works Department are concerned, their selection process has been scrapped. And on the basis of that, the High Court has disposed of the petition. Inquiry report is submitted to the state government. That's a interim report. It's not a final report. And on the basis of that, I was instructed by the government to say to the High Court that insofar as these selections are concerned, they are being scrapped by the government.
So we can say that prima facie some discrepancy has been found by the committee.
Yes.
Okay, is there any chances of taking action on the person who are involved in the recruitment?
Insofar as that is concerned, it is for the state government to take a call. I think that is not the subject matter insofar as this petition is concerned.
गोवा फॉर्ड म्हणटा हे मेहनत करून परीक्षा दिवनय फेल जाल्ल्या भुरग्यांचें जैत. गोवा फॉर्डान खंय हो विशय लावन धरिल्लो.
आज जो एक स्टेटमेंट केला एजीन की आमी रिक्रुटमेंट स्क्रॅप करतात, हे आज त्या भुरग्यांचे जैत आसा जे प्रामाणीकपणान कश्ट करून शिकून ज्या भुरग्यांनी एग्जाम आन्सर केल्ले पूण तांकां भायर मारले कारण तांचे कडेन बॅगां नाशिल्लीं पावोवपाक. आनी गोवा फॉर्डाचे अध्यक्ष आमचे बाब विजय सरदेसायान, तुमकां याद जातलें ऑगस्ट म्हयन्यान जेन्ना विधानसभा सत्र जाल्लें तेन्ना भाशण केल्लें की आमकां सगळे तरेच्यान इंडिकेशन येता की नोकऱ्यांक पयशे मागतात आनी युवकांक आपूण अपील करता, पयशे दिनाकात गोवा फॉरवर्ड पार्टी तुमच्या फाटल्यान सारकी उबी रावतली.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.